Highlights of First India and Nordic Baltic Conclave. The first India Nordic Baltic Conclave was held virtually on November 5, 2020. The conclave was represented by External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar from Indian side. Highlights. The conclave was hosted by Ministry of External Affairs and Confederation of Indian Industry jointly. The primary focus of the conclave was on artificial intelligence, clean technologies, renewable energies, supply chain, logistics, and blockchain-led transformation. About Nordic Baltic, the Nordic Baltic includes 8 countries, namely Norway, Estonia, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Latvia, Ireland, and Lithuania. Among these 8 countries, Latvia, Lithuania, and Estonia are the Baltic countries. These 3 fast-growing economies are located in the Baltic Sea, while the countries like Norway, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, and Ireland are called the Nordic countries. Significance of Baltic countries. Lithuania. It has got high expertise in laser technology. The laser-related products forms the important part of Lithuania's trade with India. Latvia. It is geopolitically important to India. The country is linked with the Amber Way, which was earlier used to transport amber from the coastal regions of Baltic Sea and North Sea to the Mediterranean Sea in ancient time. Further, Latvia connects the Baltic region with the rest of Europe, Russia, and Central Asia. Thus, the country makes the Indian exports reach these markets easily. Estonia. The country is home to NATO Cooperative Cyber Defense Center of Excellence. Thus, it could help India in the field of cyber security. Significance of Nordic countries. India's trade with the Nordic countries stands at around USD 5.3 billion as of 2017. Also, the cumulative foreign direct investment to India stands at USD 2.5 billion. India and Nordic countries could cooperate in the fields of innovation, R&D, economical and technological advancement, and in fishing sector, from storing to refrigerating to marketing and to exporting.